hadiah, gift, prize, reward, present, raksasa, gigantic, giant, massive, monstrous, senang atau bahagia, glad, happy, pleased, amuse, pandangan sekilas, glance, glimpse, lapisan es, glaze, icing, lagu, glee, tune, melody, cahaya redup, glimmer, rushlight, sejagat, global, universal, berkilau, glossy, shiny, luminous, kesedihan, grief, sadness, sorrow, misery, pegangan, grip, handle, golongan, group, class, type, category, menjaga, to guard, to take care of, to preserve, membuang waktu, to guzzle, to goof off, buayan atau tempat tidur gantung, hammock, cradle, bassinet, tampan, handsome, dashing, sharp, manly, menggantung, to hang, to suspend, bahagia atau senang, happy, pleased, glad, amuse, terjadi, happen, occurred, keras, hard, tough, strong, hampir tidak, hardly, scantily, scarcely, mengeras, harden, solidify, menetas, to hatch, to incubate, to crack open, berhantu, haunted, spooky, spookish, bahaya, hazard, danger, risk, pusing atau sakit kepala, headache, dizziness, sehat, healthy, well, good, nice, fit, panas, heat, temperature, surga, heaven, paradise, ketinggian, height, altitude, bermanfaat atau berguna, helpful, beneficial, useful, tak berdaya, helpless, powerless, warisan, heritage, legacy, inheritance, mengerikan, hideous, terrible, horrible, awful, memukul, to hit, to beat, to smack, menahan, to hold up, to stand, to bear, suci, holy, sacred, pure, jujur, honest, truthful, menghormati, honor, respect, mengharapkan, hope, kerendahan hati, humility, modesty, kelaparan, hungry, starving, mempercepat, to hurry, to speed up, to accelerate, to rush, menyakiti, to hurt, to harm, hypnotize, hypnotic, mesmeric, rumah, home, domestic, rasa lapar, hunger, starvation, pembunuhan, homicide, murder, perampokan, housebreaking, burglary, dugaan, hipotesis, atau spekulasi, hypothesis, speculation, mengacuhkan, to ignore, to disregard, menerangi, to illuminate, to light, to brighten, ide, gagasan, idea, thought, serupa atau identik, identical, equal, alike, mengenali, to identify, to recognize, to spot, ciri khas, identity, specialty, diam, idle, silent, quiet, jika, if, when, in case, berapi, igneous, flaming, fiery, sakit, ill, sick, mengilustrasikan atau mendemonstrasikan. Okay? To illustrate, to demonstrate, segera, immediately, soon, quickly, right away, instantly, membenamkan, to immerse, to sink, tidak dapat bergerak, immobile, motionless, luar biasa, immoderate, incredible, exceptional, tidak sopan, immodest, impolite, disrespectful, kekal atau abadi, immortal, everlasting, mempengaruhi, to impact, to affect, tidak sabar, impatient, petulant, tetchy, menanamkan, to implant, embed, tidak sempurna, imperfect, deficient, sesekali, incidentally, once in a while, every now and then, tidak memperhatikan, inconsiderate, thoughtless, kekanak-kanakan, infantile, childish, ketidakmampuan, inability, incompetent, tidak mencukupi, inadequate, insufficient, tidak teliti, inaccurate, slipshod, kaku, inflexible, rigid, lereng, incline, slope, downhill, pendapatan, income, revenue, earnings, salah, incorrect, wrong, false, mistaken, tidak langsung, indirect, oblique, tidak formal, informal, casual, jarang-jarang, infrequent, rarely, di dalam ruangan, indoor, inside, tak dapat dihindari, inevitable, ineluctable, shunless, bayi, infant, baby, muppet, tak terbatas, infinite, unlimited, mengilhami, to inspire, to imbue, pemberontak, insurgent, rebel, faktur, invoice, bill, bermaksud, to intend, to mean, to aim, purpose, meningkatkan, to intensify, to escalate, keuntungan, interest, profit, serbuan, invasion, attack, incursion, sangat menarik, irresistible, fascinating, memisahkan, to isolate, to insulate, iri, jealous, envious, kesenangan, joy, delight, pleasure, fun, enjoyment, tusukan, jab, puncture, penjara, jail, prison, selai, jam, preserve, kemacetan, jam, congestion, gelatin, eager, ramai, jazzy, crowded, busy, permata, jewel, jam, pekerjaan, job, profession, sambungan, joint, connection, gurauan, joke, prank, buku harian, journal, diary, hutan, jungle, forest, wildwood, hanya, just, only, merely, solely, membenarkan, to justify, to confirm, pembenaran, justification, confirmation, menjaga, to keep, to maintain, ketel, kettle, boiler, intisari, keynote, essence, core, menendang, to kick, to spurn, baik hati, kind, nice, friendly, silahkan, kindly, willingly, raja, king, lord, mengetuk, to knock, to tap, terkemuka, known, prominent, reputable, buruh atau tenaga kerja, labor, manpower, worker, kekurangan, lacking, missing, wanita, lady, madam, terakhir, last, final, ladder, tanah, land, ground, soil, earth, jalur, lane, track, pathway, putaran, lap, cycle, loop, besar, large, big, great, terlambat, late, overdue, tardy, hukum, law, verdict, regulation, mempelajari, to learn, to study, persekutuan, league, alliance, coalition, kebocoran, leakage, puncture, warisan, legacy, heritage, inheritance, mematikan, lethal, deadly, tingkat, level, degree, stage, tersesat, lost, misguided, memikat, to lure, to attract, kegilaan, madness, insanity, craziness, lunacy, memperbesar, to magnify, enlarge, enhance, exaggerate, mempertahankan, menjaga, memelihara, to maintain, to preserve, to take care, buatan manusia, man-made, artificial, peragawati, mannequin, model, bahan kain, material, fabric, hal masalah, matters, things, problems, mungkin, maybe, perhaps, possibly, sementara itu, in the meantime, meanwhile, at the same time, mengukur, measure, quantify, gauge, pertemuan, meeting, assembly, gathering, conference, bohong, dusta, mendacity, lie, falsehood, tanpa belas kasihan, merciless, cruel, relentless, perantara, middleman, intermediary, mediator, di pertengahan, midway, halfway, bermigrasi atau aktivitas perpindahan, to migrate, to adjourn, ringan, mild, gentle, light, meniru, to mimic, to imitate, to copy, pemikiran, mind, thought, idea, tak ada artinya, mindless, senseless, mengecilkan, to minimize, to play down, to turn down, mencerminkan, to mirror, to reflect, salah pengertian, to misconceive, to misunderstand, to misapprehend, sedih, miserable, depressing, sad, sorrowful, penderitaan, misery, distress, suffering, pain, salah mengartikan, misread, misinterpret, yang hilang, missing, loss, vanish, ketidakpercayaan, mistrust, distrust, disbelief, skepticism, sedang, moderately, reasonably, modern, modern, contemporary, memperbaharui, to renew, to update, to reform, meninggalkan, to renounce, to leave, to abandon, menanggapi, to respond, to reply, menjijikkan, revolting, disgusting, sampah, rubbish, waste, garbage, kasar, rude, rough, coarse, menyesali, to rue, to regret, to repent, puas, satisfied, convinced, content, kelangkaan, scarcity, shortage, lezat, scrumptious, delicious, tasty, yummy, memilih, to select, to choose, to pick, pilihan, selection, choice, option, percaya diri, self-assured, confident, tanda, signal, sign, mark, alert, berarti, significant, meaningful, valuable, bodoh, silly, foolish, full, dumb, tulus, sincere, honest, truthful, tengkorak, skull, cranium, pericranium, brain pan, kotor, soiled, dirty, filthy, gross, menyoroti, spotlight, highlight, stabil, stable, steady, mantap, dogged, steady, stable, bodoh, stupid, silly, substansial, banyak sekali, substantially, considerably, menyarankan, suggest, recommend, prompt, matahari terbenam, sundown, sunset, matahari terbit, sunrise, dawn, yakin, sure, confident, certain, assured, sekeliling, surroundings, environment, peripheral, bertahan, to survive, to outlive, melambangkan, to symbolize, to represent, kesabaran, temper, patience, endurance, wasiat, testament, will, sekarang, today, nowadays, currently, pendaratan, touchdown, landing, mudah tersinggung, touchy, sensitive, mengubah, to transform, to convert, to change, sementara, transitory, temporary, interim, jelas, transparent, obvious, clear, plain, dapat dipercaya, trustworthy, reliable, believable, angin puyuh, twister, tornado, typhoon, dua pemain, twosome, pair, terakhir, ultimate, final, last, terlantar, uncared for, neglected, luar biasa atau tak biasa, uncommon, unusual, mentah, uncooked, raw, tak dapat disangkal, undeniable, indisputable, yang dapat dimengerti, understandable, comprehensible, tidak terduga, unforeseen, unexpected, tidak beruntung atau sial, unfortunate, unlucky, tanpa cedera, unhurt, unharmed, scatheless, tanpa cedera, uninjured, unhurt, melanggar hukum, unlawful, illegal, belum menikah, unmarried, single, unattached, tak terucapkan, unstated, unspoken, sebelum waktunya, untimely, premature, forehanded, bohong, dusta, untrue, unfaithful, aneh, tidak biasa, unusual, strange, yang tak disuarakan, unvoiced, voiceless, pemberontakan, uprising, rebellion, biasanya, usually, generally, normally, kekosongan atau lowongan, vacancy, emptiness, void, memakai penghisap debu, to vacuum, to hoover, samar, vague, indistinct, sia-sia, vain, useless, tanpa nilai, valueless, worthless, menaklukkan, to vanquish, to conquer, to subdue, membedakan, to vary, to differ, to contrast. Sangat banyak, vast, huge, prodigious. Kebajikan, virtue, advantage. Membayangkan, to visualize, to imagine, to think. Garansi, warranty, guarantee. Sopan, well-mannered, polite. Kilang anggur, winery, vineyard. Menahan, to withstand, to resist. Dorongan, push, shove, propel. Berhenti, quit, cease, stop, withdraw. Keributan atau kegaduhan, racket, noise, commotion, disturbance. Mengesahkan, ratify, approve, confirm, endorse. Merusak, ravage, devastate, ruin, damage. Meruntuhkan, raze, destroy, demolish. Enggan, reluctant, unwilling, hesitant. Terpencil, remote, secluded, isolated, distant. Menjijikkan, repulsive, hideous, offensive, gruesome. Terkemuka, reputable, honorable, upstanding, honest. Melawan, resist, opposed, withstand, defy. Membalas, retaliate, avenge, revenge, reciprocate. Mengungkap, reveal, show, disclose, divulge. Sama, same, identical, alike, equivalent. Tenang, calm, peaceful, tranquil, serene. Serius, serious, grave, solemn, pensive. Lihai, shrewd, clever, cunning, crafty. Lamban, sluggish, listless, lethargic, inactive. Kecil, small, little, insignificant, trivial. Mulus, smooth, sleek, glossy, level. Ramah, sociable, friendly, cordial, gregarious. Duka, sorrow, woe, anguish, grief. Spesial, special, exceptional, notable, particular. Stabil, stable, steady, unchanging, settle. Berat, strenuous, vigorous, laborious. Ketat, strict, stringent, severe, stern. kuat, strong, powerful, mighty, potent, bodoh, stupid, unintelligent, dense, foolish, kelebihan, surplus, excess, additional, extra, tinggi, tall, high, lofty, nyata, tangible, concrete, definite, tegang, taut, tense, tight, stiff, lembut, tender, delicate, gentle, affectionate, mengerikan, terrible, dreadful, horrible, vile, hemat, thrifty, economical, frugal, prudent, berkembang pesat, thrive, prosper, flourish, develop, mendesak, urgent, crucial, important, kosong, vacant, unoccupied, empty, tidak jelas, vague, unclear, obscure, indistinct, berani, valiant, courageous, brave, heroic, kemenangan, victory, triumph, win, success, berbudi luhur, virtuous, moral, righteous, angelic, lelah, weary, tired, fatigued, dipakai, warned, used, impaired, old, salah, wrong, incorrect, untrue, mistaken, menghasilkan, yield, produce, bear, provide, sekitar atau kira-kira, ya, approximately, memperoleh atau mencapai, to accomplish, to achieve, mengakumulasikan atau membangun, ya, to accumulate, to build up, mengelola, to administer, to manage, mengakui, to admit, to confess, hampir, almost, nearly, mengganggu, to annoy, to irritate, to bother, riang, jolly, merry, jovial, joyful, okay, bergembira sekali, jubilant, overjoyed, delighted, elated, menyimpan, keep, save, protect, guard, paling sedikit, least, fewest, minimum, smallest, logis, logical, sensible, sane, rational, panjang, long, lengthy, mewah, luxurious, extravagant, elegant, memperbesar, magnify, expand, enlarge, exaggerate. Kurus, meager, scanty, sparse, poor. Berarti mean, unkind, malicious, nasty. Militan, militant, combative, aggressive, warlike. Minor atau lebih rendah ya. Minor, lesser, inferior, secondary. Kegembiraan, mirth, merriment, fun, laughter. Nakal, mischievous, naughty, impish. Sedang, moderate, temperate, lenient, medium. Gaib, mysterious, elusive, occult, secret. Nakal, naughty, bad, disobedient, wrong. Amatir, amateur, beginner. Ambisius, ambitious, aspiring, menyetujui, approve, accept. Tiba, arrive, reach. Authentic atau asli ya. Authentic. Genuine, buruk sekali. Awful, dreadful, atrocious. Okay. Malu, bashful, shy, timid. Cantik, beautiful, pretty, attractive. Sebelum, before, prior, earlier. Awal, beginning, start, initiate. Meyakini, believe, trust, accept. Di bawah, below, under, lower. Bermanfaat, beneficial, helpful, useful. Terbaik, best, finest, choice. Kelahiran, birth, beginning. Mencampur, combine, mix. Bawah, bottom. Base, foundation. Berani, brave, courageous, bold. Merusak, break, fracture, birth. Singkat, brief, short, concise. Membeli, buy, purchase. Tenang, calm, quiet, tranquil. Dingin, chilly, cool, nippy. Tembem, chubby, plump, pudgy. Menjelaskan, clarify, explain, simplify. Tidak lama lagi, close, near, imminent. Kasar, coarse, bumpy, rough. Lucu, comical, amusing, funny. Complex, complex, complicated. Membatasi, confine, contain, enclose. Conflict, conflict, fight, battle, struggle. Sesuai, conform, comply, submit,